Welcome to our Transform and Triumph training session. This session initiative is more than business training. It's a mission to empower, equip, and elevate visionaries like you. Whether you're launching a new business, rebuilding your strategy, or growing your influence, you are in the right place. Let's walk through what we call the transformative journey, the path that turns your vision into reality. Starting a business begins with the right mindset, believing in your potential, staying resilient, and leading with clarity. From there, develop a strong elevator pitch to communicate your value and register your business to make it official. Build a professional, user-friendly website as your digital storefront and create a clear business plan to guide your growth. Understanding your finances is key to profitability, while delivering excellent customer experiences builds loyalty. Finally, commit fully to taking action and leading with purpose. This is your time to build and grow. Each of these steps is part of a powerful transformation, and I promise you, when you walk through them with intention, the impact you'll make will go far beyond just business. It becomes a legacy. Hi there, welcome. I'm so glad you're here. Today, we're diving into a foundational piece of your business success, accounting and finance. Whether you're just starting out or you're looking to scale, understanding your numbers gives you the power to make smarter decisions, avoid pitfalls, and ultimately thrive. This session is brought to you by Loomis, Reddick and Bishop, where we specialize in empowering entrepreneurs just like you to help take away the fear out of finance and accounting. Here's what we'll cover today. First, we'll talk about why accounting and finance matter specifically for entrepreneurs like yourself. Then we'll walk through the benefits of managing your finances effectively. We'll take a deep dive into the three primary financial statements every business should know: the balance sheet, income statement, and cash flow statement. I'll also touch on footnotes, which are often overlooked but so important. After that, I'll show you some templates and tools we've created to help simplify your work. We'll wrap with key performance metrics to track, and then jump into an interactive session where we apply what you've learned. Sound good? Great. Let's begin. At Loomis, Reddick and Bishop, we believe that financial literacy is foundational for entrepreneurial success. This session is all about giving you the confidence to understand your numbers, interpret your financial statements, and use that information to grow your business intentionally. Think of this as your financial empowerment toolkit, created specifically for business owners like you. Let's take a moment to unpack the real purpose behind accounting and finance, especially for entrepreneurs like you. Accounting isn't just about spreadsheets and ledgers. It's a strategic tool that supports every major decision you'll make in your business journey. We've highlighted 4 essential purposes, and I want to walk you through them step by step. We begin with the foundation, your financial statements. These are like the X-rays of your business. They help you develop a comprehensive view of your financial position. When these are done correctly, they communicate your company's story in numbers. They show what you own, what you owe, and how profitable or not you've been over time. Once your statements are in place, the next step is tracking. You need to analyze trends monthly, quarterly, and annually. Are your expenses going up? Is revenue growing or stalling? With accurate tracking, you can identify opportunities or threats early and respond proactively, not reactively. Your financial data becomes a decision-making compass. For example, should you hire another employee, launch a new product, apply for a business loan? Your numbers can guide you. Importantly, they also ensure you remain compliant with financial and tax regulations, reducing your exposure to fines or penalties. And finally, this is the most exciting part, you use accounting and finance to plan for growth. You're not in business just to survive, you're building something. With strategic financial insights, you can scale confidently, manage your operations efficiently, and even prepare for future investments or expansion opportunities. So as you can see, accounting isn't a burden, it's a blueprint. When done right, it fuels momentum and builds credibility with stakeholders. And with the right guidance, like what we're doing today, you can take full command of it. When you stay on top of your accounting and finance, you unlock powerful benefits. First, you're able to create clear financial statements, which help tell your business's story in numbers. Next, you gain a real understanding of where your business stands financially. No more guessing. From there, you can track your progress over time, spotting trends and opportunities for growth. You'll also be ready to make smart, compliant decisions because your numbers support your choices. And finally, strong financials help you manage day-to-day operations and confidently plan for the future business growth. In short, it's not just about numbers. It's about running your business with clarity, control, and confidence. The 3 primary financial statements are the balance sheet, income statement, and cash flow statement. Each provides unique insights. The balance sheet shows assets, liabilities, and equity. The income statement details revenue and expenses. Cash flow statement tracks cash inflows and outflows. Together, they offer a comprehensive view of a business's financial health. Here's how a balance sheet works, broken into three parts. Assets are what your business owns, like cash, unpaid invoices, inventory, and property. Liabilities are what you owe, such as bills, payroll, or loans. And owner's equity is what's left after you subtract liabilities from assets. It shows your business's value. The balance sheet gives a snapshot of your financial health, what you have, what you owe, and what it's worth. The income statement tells you if your business is actually making money. It starts with revenue, your total sales or income. Then you subtract expenses, like payroll, marketing, and utilities. What's left is your net income, your profit, the bottom line. You can then use this to analyze performance over time and evaluate how profitable your business really is. It's one of the clearest ways to measure your success. The cash flow statement provides insights into a company's liquidity by detailing cash inflows and outflows. Understanding your cash flow is essential to managing your business's financial health. This diagram breaks down the four key components of a standard cash flow statement. 1. Operating activities. This section tracks the core activities of your business, such as customer payments, supplier expenses, taxes, interest, and depreciation. It reflects how much cash your business generates or consumes from day-to-day operations. 2. Investing activities. Here, we record cash used for or received from long-term assets, like equipment purchases, property sales, or investments. It gives insight into how you're using capital to grow or restructure your business. 3. Financing activities. This area includes transactions related to funding the business, such as loans, issuing or repurchasing stock, repaying debt, or distributing dividends. It shows how your business is financed. 4. Net increase-decrease. Finally, we calculate the net change in cash by combining the results from the other three sections. The formula is ending cash, beginning cash, plus net cash flow. These elements provide a full picture of how cash moves through your business, helping you make more informed financial decisions. Notes to financial statements provide essential context, explaining accounting policies, assumptions, and detailed breakdowns of financial data that help users understand the numbers more clearly and accurately. Let's walk through some key areas. Accounting policies explain the principles and methods the company uses in preparing its financial statements, such as revenue recognition or inventory valuation. Key accounts offer detailed insights into major financial statement items, helping readers interpret significant balances or changes. Debt and liabilities provide clarity on the company's financial obligations, including terms, maturity dates, and repayment plans. Commitments and contingencies identify potential future financial impacts, such as pending lawsuits or lease obligations. Income taxes outline current tax liabilities and strategies used, which affect net income and cash flow. Related party transactions disclose any financial activity between the company and affiliated entities, ensuring transparency. Subsequent events cover material events that occur after the reporting period, but before the statements are issued, like acquisitions or restructuring. Segment information breaks down financial results by business unit or division, helping stakeholders assess performance across different areas. Equity details describe ownership structure, including shares issued, retained earnings, and equity changes. These notes provide a complete picture of the company's financial condition, enhancing transparency and decision-making for stakeholders. Financial analytics play a key role in understanding a company's performance and informing strategic decisions. Once you have the reports, the next step is using them analytically. Profitability ratios show how well your company generates profit. Liquidity ratios measure your ability to meet short-term obligations. Efficiency ratios reveal how effectively you use assets and resources. Leverage ratios assess how much debt is used to finance your operations. Cash flow analysis tracks the movement of money in and out of the business. Trend analysis helps identify patterns and forecast future performance, while common size statements make it easier to compare financial data across different periods or companies. Together, these analytics give you a clear, comprehensive view of your financial health. Whether it's increasing margins, reducing expenses, or scaling your operations, your analytics will guide your next move. To help you get started, we've created a downloadable financial statement template. Just scan the QR code on this slide. It's designed to be easy to use. This tool simplifies the creation of your own income statement, balance sheet, and cash flow report so you can begin monitoring your business's financial health today. Here are some financial tools we highly recommend. Microsoft Excel, still the gold standard for customizing financial spreadsheets. Intuit Tax Tools, great for simplifying your tax prep. QuickBooks, ideal for managing your day-to-day accounting. Google Workspace, great for collaborating and sharing financial documents in real time. These tools can automate, organize, and streamline your financial operations, saving you time and reducing stress.
Thank you for joining me today. As an entrepreneur, understanding your numbers isn't just about staying organized, it's about gaining confidence, control, and clarity. When you embrace accounting and finance, you stop operating in the dark and start leading with insight. Remember, you don't have to be an expert overnight. Start with the basics, use the tools available, and ask for help when you need it. If you ever feel stuck or overwhelmed, don't worry. At Loomis, Reddick and Bishop, we are here to take the fear out of finance and accounting. We offer a 100% personalized approach, dedicated support, and a proven track record of 5-star client satisfaction. Scan the QR code or visit our website to book a free consultation. Let us help ease your business stress and empower you to make informed financial decisions. We believe in equipping entrepreneurs with tools, not just talk. This is your invitation to not just dream, but to actually do. You can visit our website at loomisreddickbishop.com to stay up to date with all training schedules and opportunities to plug in.
Thank you for completing the Accounting and Finance for Entrepreneurs training with us. You're making great strides, and we can't wait to see you grow even more. Keep an eye out for our upcoming sessions and see you again soon at our next training.